for Avalanche AVAX UST to determine where the market is headed next. Will AVAX hold its crucial support, or are we looking at further downside? Let's break it down. Currently, AVAX is trading at $19.29, down 1.58%, struggling to gain momentum. The recent trend has been bearish, with lower highs and lower lows, indicating continued selling pressure. Looking at key support and resistance levels. Immediate support sits at $19. A break below this could send AVAX toward $18 or even $17.50. On the upside, resistance is seen at $20, followed by a major hurdle at $22.50, the previous peak before the downtrend resumed. Now, moving to the Elliott Wave analysis, AVAX appears to be in a corrective ABC wave structure. Wave A was the sharp drop from $22.50 to $18.50. Wave B was the brief bounce to $21.50. Wave C is the ongoing drop, currently testing the $19 level. If $19 holds, this could signal the end of Wave C, potentially leading to a reversal toward $20 or $21.50. However, a break below could extend the correction toward $18 or lower. Key indicators to watch. Volume remains low, signaling weak buying pressure. RSI approaching oversold territory could hint at a potential bounce. Moving averages show AVAX trading below key short-term levels, reinforcing the bearish outlook. What's next? Bullish case. Holding $19 could trigger a rebound toward $20, $21.50, with further upside if buying volume increases. Bearish case. A break below $19 could accelerate selling pressure, targeting $18 to $17.50 as the next downside levels. To summarize, $19 is the crucial level to watch. If it holds, we might see a short-term relief rally, but a breakdown could lead to more losses. What's your prediction for AVAX? Will it bounce back or continue falling? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto market updates. See you in the next video.